So hello guys, welcome to our channel Coding Tech. So today we are going to learn how to print name in C language using Printf function. So now we can start. Firstly, we want C compiler. So in your browser, type online C compiler and click the first one. Okay, then your compiler is on, and so now we can start our program. And now, what is hash include stdio.h. stdio.h means h.h means header files. It is a header C language header files, and it is compulsory. stdio. Means standard input output dot header, and it is included in our program. So now we can move to main function. Inside the main function, we start our program. Our program start from here, and along with the main function, we write our return type. Like we have now void. Void means empty. It that means nothing is returned in the program. In this program means our program does not return anything. So now we can move further, and the right side of the main function we have open and close parentheses. This is uh, this, and ahead of parentheses we have curly braces. Start with main function. This is this is called curly braces, and start with the main function and with of this program. And when you want to print any sequence of characters called string and other special characters, or when you want to print anything on your output, then the print function is used. So now we can write here print open printer function. So first we can write here printf and open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So and then inverted commas. Keep in mind, when you use printf and want to print as it is anything, then you should write inverted commas like this. So now inverted commas, and then we can print anything which you want print on your output screen. So here I'm going to type like my name is, like my name is Rita. So after write something, then close inverted commas like this. When you not close inverted commas or parentheses, then and you run this program, then error throw. So error will be throw. So we should write here uh, inverted commas and parentheses, close. So parentheses, and after that we should write here in semicolon. It is also compulsory. Semicolon tell us the operation end here. So now we should close curly braces like this. Curly braces, curly braces. And when you don't have any return type, so it is optional. You return 0 when you write here return 0. So let's see, your program will be executed and compiled, and your output is on your output screen. So like I write here I capital, so here output also Rita I capital and T A small letter in small letter. Like when you change anything in your printf function, then your output will be also changed. So as you see, our first C program is done successfully. And so in this video we have seen how to print anything in C language. So like anything you want to print here, type like 1 2 3 sequence of characters, like semicolon like invert don't write inverted comma, but like anything you want to print in inverted commas. Run this program. Your program like what you have in your printf function, you also have your output function. So output screen. So like this video guys and subscribe our channel to watch next videos. See you in next videos. Thank you.